Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at V0's new feature called Design, which allows you to select different elements and change the design of them. For example, the color, maybe the spacing or the font. So here I've got a capture challenge that I recently made. And here, as you can see, start the challenge, you have to answer all the questions correctly for you to get access to the website. So let's say I wanted to change the color of this div. I would simply go into design, click on this, and then I'll go to background, and then as you can see I can change it, the color as well. And let's say I wanted to change the font for this. I don't really like it. I could go here, I could change the font to maybe serif, monospace. I could also change the font weight to that. Well, that didn't seem to work. Let's see, can I change this? Okay, the size slightly changes, and you can also change the alignment as well. Let me just reset that. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to create a fresh landing page using a prompt I have, and then we're going to see if I can modify the landing page using the new design feature. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it a simple prompt, create a landing page for a dog walking service, use good typography and color styles, and let's see what V0 makes. Okay, so it's planned out the sections, which is good. I didn't tell it to. And it planned out the typography and the styling. So it's going to make it. When it finishes making it, I'll get back to you, and then we can try and see what it generates. So V0 has now finished building the website, and this is what we have. We have a dog walking website with placeholder images, got an orange CTA, hero section. It looks like a very standard vibe coded basic website. So for example, let's say in the hero section we wanted to change the color a little bit. Go to design. Let's say I want to change the color of this button. Let's see if it works. Okay, background. Maybe I'm not feeling this. Maybe I want color. It's better. Maybe I want this teal 600. And then maybe I want to make this teal as well. So let's go for a teal. Go for teal 200. And then we also want to make the text, change it. Let's do something like this. And then for the border as well, go for a teal to make it more cohesive. And then the text color, we'll change it to teal as well. That's teal gone. Yeah. And then make sure you press save at the end to save all the changes you made, or else it won't save. And let's say I wanted to change the whole background color. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, it doesn't seem like I can. Let's see this div. Okay, can. Say I wanted to make it like an off-white, slate 50. And then make this section also slate 50. Does it work? Okay, for this you might have to prompt it. So let's try and prompt it to change the color. Make background of simply said make the background of the entire hero section slate 50 and upload the image of the screenshot I just took of the issue. And then hopefully it changes it. Let's see what happens. So V0 correctly changed the background of the entire hero section. And what I've just done there, I've told it to apply the color styles in the hero section to the entire site. So hopefully it reskins the entire site using the colors we've just made in the hero section, so the teals and the slate 50. So V0 is now trying to implement that change I've just described, and hopefully we will see a better visual style across the whole site. So let's see what it makes. Yep, so it's actually recolored the whole website using the colors from the hero section, which is really nice. And I want to make this a bit more realistic, so I'm going to tell it to replace the placeholder images with relevant images. So V0 has now added relevant images, which look really nice. It just makes the website feel more real, just elevates it a little bit as well. But the last thing I want to do really is make it look a bit more visually appealing. So the first thing I'm going to do about that is to change the font. This font looks alright, but I think I've got a good font in mind. I'm going to use Sora, so I'm going to ask it to change all the heading fonts to the Sora font. So this is what V0 has made, and it's changed the font as you can see. And we've got nice little interactions when we hover, and then when the page loads, we've got nice animations as well, which just makes it look and feel a lot more premium and a lot more real as well. The last thing I want to do, if you wanted to change some of the text without prompting it, simply go to Design, click on here, the text you want to change, scroll down, and you actually see the content box, and you can simply just type your text in there and then press Save, and the changes will be saved. So that was just a brief demonstration and tutorial of V0's new design feature, which is really good. What I didn't mention is that it also doesn't take or use up any tokens. So you can do this for free without burning through your tokens, which is really useful. And you can just elevate your design by making small tweaks and changes based on what you want or what the client wants. So if you like this tutorial today and you want to see more V0 content or more vibe coding content or anything like that, please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe for more content as well. If you want to change anything, if you think there's any improvements I could have made or should have made to this site, if you have any recommendations or queries, please leave them in the comment section below as well. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.